how to show call history in conversations on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show it easy and quick. First open a Truecaller and then click on your profile here in the top corner and then click settings, and now just click messaging, and then here we'll find show call history in conversations. Now just allow it. That's it, just click on it and it will be enabled. Now just go back, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.